Welcome to your dream home in the heart of Ocean Shores, where luxury meets nature's doorstep. Step inside and discover the elegance and comfort that awaits you. The spacious living area, bathed in natural light, featuring stunning 10-foot vaulted ceilings that elevate your living experience to new heights. The quality craftsmanship promises not just a house, but a place to call home. At the heart of this inviting area lies an oversized island, a focal point not just for meal preparation, but as a gathering spot for friends and family. Equipped with a sink and generous counter space, it's designed for functionality while fostering social interactions. The open concept living, where the boundaries between cooking, dining, and relaxing blend harmoniously into one expansive, fluid space. The heart of the home is the gourmet kitchen that overlooks a serene backyard. Just imagine preparing meals with the inspiring, tranquil view surrounded by the top-of-the-line appliances and exquisite finishes. Your private oasis awaits in the secluded backyard, ready for you to create endless memories. Whether it's gardening or enjoying the concrete patio, this is your haven for peace. This layout, accentuated by the natural light streaming through, creates an ambiance that's simply perfect for entertaining. The open and airy primary suite is a tranquil retreat with a window that frames the picturesque backyard. The ensuite bathroom features a luxurious walk-in shower built with privacy in mind and offers a spa-like escape. This meticulously designed floor plan artfully balances communal living with private retreats, ensuring every space is utilized to its full potential. On the opposite side, the second and third bedrooms afford maximum privacy for occupants, making them perfect for guests, a growing family, or as versatile spaces that can easily transition into a home office, craft room, or work area. With thoughtful amenities like a utility room leading to a 2-car garage, a linen closet for extra storage, and energy-efficient mini splits for year-round comfort, every detail has been considered for your convenience. The property also features a thoughtfully designed 150 square foot storage shed, a perfect blend of functionality and charm. This versatile outbuilding provides ample space for gardening tools, outdoor equipment, or seasonal decorations, ensuring your home remains uncluttered and organized. This adds value and convenience to your backyard oasis. Just a stone's throw away from Duck Lake, the bayside of Ocean Shores, and the beautiful beaches of Ocean Shores, your new home is a gateway to adventure. Fishing, kayaking, and whale watching are just the beginning. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Schedule a tour today and take the first step towards making this dream home yours. And if you're captivated by the charm of Ocean Shores, sign up on our website linked below to receive new listings directly to your inbox. Your coastal lifestyle begins here.